Stop. Before you buy that thing you've been thinking about, I need you to watch this first. Because right now, at this very moment, your brain is running a program designed to make you spend money you don't have on things you don't need to impress people you don't even like. And the scariest part? You think it's your own decision. It's not. In the next 6 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how your brain tricks you into wasting money, the science behind it, the traps you fall into every single day, and most importantly, the simple mindset shifts that will put you back in control of your money forever. Let's go. Section 1. Your brain was not built for money. Here's something nobody tells you in school. Your brain was not designed to handle modern money. It was built thousands of years ago for one single purpose: survival. Find food, stay safe, feel good now. And that ancient wiring, it is absolutely destroying your bank account in 2025. See, your brain operates on something called the pleasure principle. It wants reward, it wants it fast, and it wants it now. Not tomorrow, not at retirement, right now. So every time you see a sale, a new gadget, a limited time offer, your brain lights up like a Christmas tree. Dopamine floods in, and suddenly that thing you never needed 5 minutes ago feels absolutely essential. This is not a character flaw. This is not you being irresponsible. This is biology. And Wall Street, Amazon, and every major retailer in America knows exactly how to use it against you. The question is, are you going to let them? Section 2. The 3 biggest brain traps. Let me break down the 3 biggest psychological traps your brain falls into, and I guarantee you have fallen into every single one of these. Trap number 1. Anchoring. You walk into a store, you see a jacket. Original price, $300. Sale price, $150. Your brain screams, "That's a deal, I'm saving $150. But here's the truth. You didn't save $150. You spent $150 on a jacket you weren't planning to buy an hour ago. Retailers set that anchor price specifically to make the sale price feel like a victory, and your brain falls for it every single time. Trap number 2, the scarcity effect. Only 2 left in stock. Sale ends in 3 hours. Limited edition. Act now. The moment your brain believes something is scarce, it panics. It stops thinking rationally. It just wants to secure the thing before it's gone, even if you don't actually need it, even if you can find it cheaper somewhere else tomorrow. Scarcity creates urgency. Urgency kills rational thinking, and dead rational thinking means empty bank accounts. Trap number 3, the lifestyle comparison loop. Your neighbor gets a new truck. Your coworker shows up with the latest iPhone. Your Instagram feed is nothing but vacations, designer clothes, and perfect kitchens. And your brain does something dangerous. It compares. It tells you you should have that too. You deserve that too. And suddenly you're spending money to keep up with a standard of living that is literally designed to keep you broke. 3 traps: anchoring, scarcity, comparison, and they are working on you every single day. Section 4, the real cost nobody calculates. Now, here's where it gets real, because I want to show you what these brain traps are actually costing you in dollars. Let's say your brain tricks you into spending just an extra $200 a month. That's it, $200. One anchor sale here, one scarcity purchase there, one lifestyle upgrade to keep up with someone else. $200 a month invested instead at an average 8% return from age 30 to age 65 is $380,000. $380,000. Gone, not because of one big financial mistake, but because your brain tricked you $200 at a time. Now multiply that across every impulse buy, every unnecessary upgrade, every keeping up with the Joneses moment you've ever had. This is why the average American retires with almost nothing. Not because they didn't earn enough, because their brain spent it for them, one trick at a time. But here's the good news. Once you see the trick, you can't unsee it. And that awareness alone is worth more than any financial course you'll ever take. Section 4, take back control. So how do you fight back against your own brain? Here's exactly what you do. Move 1, the 48-hour rule. Any purchase over $50 that wasn't already on your list, wait 48 hours before buying it. That's it, just 48 hours. Why does this work? Because dopamine fades. That rush your brain felt when it saw the deal, it's gone in 48 hours. And when you come back to that purchase with a clear head, most of the time you won't even want it anymore. Move 2, Unfollow the comparison trap. Go through your social media right now and unfollow every account that makes you feel like your life isn't enough. Every influencer pushing products, every account showing off a lifestyle that makes you feel behind. Your brain cannot compare itself to what it cannot see. Protect your feed like you protect your bank account, because they are directly connected. Move 3. Automate your savings first. Before your brain gets a chance to spend your paycheck, automate your savings on payday. Set it and forget it. Pay your future self first. Because here's the truth. Your brain will always find a reason to spend whatever's sitting in your checking account. So don't leave it there. Move it before your brain even knew it existed. Move 4. Name the trick. Next time you feel the urge to buy something unexpected, stop and name the trick out loud. Say it. Is this anchoring? Is this scarcity? Is this comparison? The moment you name it, the power it has over you drops dramatically. You go from being a victim of your brain to being the one in control, and that shift changes everything. Here's the bottom line. Your brain is not your enemy. It's just running old software in a world that has been specifically engineered to exploit it. Every sale, every limited time offer, every perfectly curated social media post, it's all designed by billion-dollar companies to trigger your psychology and empty your wallet. But now you know. You know the traps, you know the tricks, and you know the moves to take back control. The 48-hour rule, unfollow the comparison trap, automate your savings first, name the trick. Start with just one, right now, today. Because every dollar your brain tries to trick you into spending is a dollar that could be building your future instead. You earned that money. You worked hard for it. Don't let a psychological trick decide where it goes. Take control. Build real wealth. And remember, the most powerful financial tool you will ever have is not an app, not a spreadsheet, not a financial advisor. It's a brain that knows its own tricks. If this opened your eyes, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe for more real finance content built for real Americans who are done being tricked and ready to build real wealth. I'll see you in the next one.